Welcome to our course on social media marketing. This is Chapter 2, Part D. So let's begin. An essential component of social media marketing is developing a content plan. A content strategy is a plan for producing and distributing worthwhile content to your target market. Following are some guidelines for developing a content strategy. 1. Know your audience. Research your target audience's needs, interests, and problems before developing content that addresses those issues. 2. Specify your objectives. Specify the objectives of your business and provide content that supports those objectives. Create material that will draw visitors to your website, for instance, if you want to enhance website traffic. 3. Determine the kind of material. Decide what kind of content will work best for your target audience and your objectives. This may take the form of text, graphics, video, infographics, etc. 4. Create a content calendar. On your content calendar, list the articles you'll write, their publication dates, and their locations online. 5. Use a variety of content. To keep your audience interested, use a variety of content. This might contain amusing memes, educational blog entries, and making of films. 6. Repurpose content. Find new uses for your current content. Create an infographic based on a blog post, for instance, or adapt a blog post into a film. 7. Monitor and assess using analytics tools. Monitor and assess how well your material is performing. Utilize this information to modify your content strategy and raise the efficiency of your output. You can make sure that your social media marketing efforts are concentrated and in line with your company's objectives by developing a content plan. You can also keep your audience interested and persuade them to take the desired action by knowing your target and producing a variety of material